Shekere. This is a shekere. It is a very interesting percussion instrument originated in West Africa. It's made with the dry and empty shell of a non-edible fruit called gourd. A net of colorful beads arranged in patterns covers the gourd. It has a very loud sound because the beads hit the empty shell, which amplifies the sound. You play it in this way, or in this one, or in this way. Many different ways. The difference between a shekere and a shaker is determined by where the beads are located. In the shaker, they are inside. In the shekere, they are outside. The shekere is also noisier than the shaker. For this reason, it's used when many drummers are playing together so they can hear the shekere sound above all the drums. If you don't have a shekere, you can make one with an empty plastic bottle, some rubber bands, and 3 or 4 plastic necklaces, with beads, the kind that you use at parties and carnivals. You can put the rubber bands around the bottle, around 3 different levels. Attach the necklaces, finding your way by weaving them across the rubber bands, meanwhile leaving the beads loose. Finally, you can put some beads inside of the bottle and close it. You can play in this way, or in this way. There are many ways. Now you are ready to play along with your favorite music, like mine. See you soon.